Airplane Story 1. Airplane Story 1 is my favorite, but I haven't played it in a long time, so I don't remember anything. Not much. All I know is that there's a monster. Of course, in every story game. Okay, as you see, we're joining. We're in. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. And comment your username. Okay, let's go on this one. Come on, people doing it. Oh yeah, I do have one win. No, actually, I have more. I could have got one win, but like the battery died or something when I was really close. But yeah, so I probably could have had 2 wins. I don't play airplane. I don't really play story games that much, but well, I guess I have to now. Maybe. Okay, we're loading in. Ooh, so my rule number is 111. That's 11. Wait, 111. 11. What number? Oh wait, no, that's I11. I11. I know my seat number. Wait. Oh, I think I remember. This is the one where like some creatures be here and you have to get into a restroom to be like safe. I remember this. Oh. Currently flying at an altitude of 33 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Nice. Okay, so we have the bathroom here. The place where you get stuff. Emergency exit. The place where you can get stuff. Emergency exit. Some seats. The restroom. The cupboards. Okay. Probably because it like shakes. Thank you for your cooperation. Get ready as the crew prepares a snack for everybody. Okay, I am hungry. Give me something. Wait. Hello everyone. We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, I ate it. Nice. Yum. Yum. Okay, so, look at that. We're so high. No, is it poisonous? Of course it isn't poisonous. We have to find the bag. We have to find a bag of medicine. Find the bag, or like I think you need to find a bag with like medicine or something. Yeah, baggage for medicine. You know, you can't open the cupboards. Oh, good job. Thank God. Ooh. That's why I don't really like eating stuff if they give it on story time. Sometimes like poisonous or like something happens. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay. I'm feeling tired. I'm gonna sleep. I just fell asleep. I have to sleep again. Still have a few hours to go. Okay. Okay. Oh god. Probably the monster. And probably when the captain goes find something. Wait. What? Right wing. Wait. I don't see anything. Oh, I see that black thing. Where is he? Oh yeah, I remember these snakes. Like, yeah, I think you have to get into the restroom to be safe. Are those snakes? Yes, they are snakes. Right. I just open the restroom. Get in. No, wrong one. Ow. No, get in. Oh. I lost a bit of health, maybe like 10 health, maybe more. Come on, how many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think everyone made it. That was scary. We should be discussing what the heck is happening. Yeah, I'm right myself. We should definitely discuss. Okay. What is happening? Thank God the snakes are gone. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. I have good news and bad. The good news is the power is back up. Okay, good to hear. The bad news is what? Oh no. Oh, wait, there's gonna be like airbags underneath, I think. Shouldn't there be airbags underneath? Oh wait. No. No! I died. Well, I guess that wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry that I didn't get to show how it ends. Maybe you guys can try it out for yourself. Tell Airplane Story 1. And make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Thanks guys for watching.